Moving tips!
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna share with you some tips on how to pack your pantry for moving. But before we start, please subscribe, push the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell not to miss our new videos. Your pantry and your refrigerator are some of the last spots in your house that get your attention before a move. After all, you have to eat in between packing your belongings and tidying up rooms. Still, with moving on your mind, you find yourself staring at your pantry, mentally trying to fit each item inside a moving box. By the way, do you think you can take frozen food on a move? How long can you transport it safely? Please tell us in the comments below and stay tuned to know the right answer. Well, let's go and check out your pantry. You wonder if you should just leave some items behind. Sure, you spend money on all those frozen veggies, but you don't think they will survive the 2-day road trip to your new house. If you feel unsure what food items to transport on your move, we'll tell you what to save, what to toss, and how to pack it just right.
Moving tips!
First, avoid grocery shopping. The first step requires some forethought on your part. Do yourself a favor and make packing easier by only eating what's in your pantry for the couple of weeks leading up to the move. The longer the better. That way, your food will be depleted enough by moving day to make packing much simpler. In fact, budget grocery shopping into your moving costs so you can restock once you get to your new place. Second, declutter. Just as you should before packing every other room in your apartment, make an effort to declutter your pantry before packing it up. Look for items that are stale, expired, or long-term inhabitants of your pantry shelves. If food has been sitting in your pantry for longer than a few months without being used, it's unlikely you will eat it in the future. Toss out anything that isn't any good and consider donating the rest. Give it to friends or family members, or check out nonprofits in your area that could benefit from donated food. Third, seal everything up. Unopened boxes, cans, and bags are relatively easy to pack, but food that's been opened is going to be a spill risk during transit. Use tape, plastic wrap, plastic sandwich bags, or anything else you have on hand to close everything securely. For paper bags of flour and sugar, make sure they're sealed shut, then pack them in individual plastic grocery bags. These break easily, so take extra care or you may find yourself with flour all over everything in your moving boxes.
Moving tips!
4. Spread out your cans. The great news! Cans are made for being packed into boxes. That makes your life easier. The bad news? They're very heavy. If you aren't sure how to pack your canned goods, save yourself future back injuries by spreading them into several different kitchen boxes. Pack cans in the bottom of each box, then fill the top with linens, towels, light snacks, or other kitchenware or utensils. Your boxes will be bottom heavy, making them unlikely to tip over during the move, so also light enough to carry easily. 5. Use sturdy containers. If a box of clothes breaks, your clothes may fall on the ground and become dirty, but they most likely won't be damaged irreparably. If a box of pantry items breaks, snacks could be crushed, cans and plastic bottles might burst, and glass jars and bottles may break. So make sure to pack your pantry items in sturdy boxes. Plastic containers with sealed lids are especially ideal to keep your food safe and fresh longer. 6. Keep moving snacks out. If you know moving day is going to be a lengthy process, it's a good idea to keep a few pantry items out of your boxes. Pick out some snacks you can munch on throughout the move and even choose some easy items you can cook when you get to your new place. That way, you won't have to dig through several kitchen boxes to assuage your hunger. And believe me, you will be hungry.
I'm hungry! I'm hungry!
So, can you transport frozen food? A cooler packed with ice is the easiest way to keep frozen food frozen, or at least cold enough to be safe to eat later. When the temperature of food rises above 40 degrees Fahrenheit, it's good for about 2 hours before bacteria starts to increase to unsafe levels. Well, that's all for today, guys. Now that you know how to pack your pantry, you're one step closer to an organized move. And you can always find more moving tips and useful guides at moving-me.com. Thanks for watching our video, and let us know in the comments below what you would want to see in our next videos. And don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. Stay safe and good luck with your next move.
Moving tips.